Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Southern classic, juicy, flavorful chicken smothered in this delicious gravy. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. All right guys, to begin, I am going to season my chicken. I'm using a drumstick for this recipe, but of course you can use wings, thighs, whatever part of the chicken you like, okay? So first thing I like to do, I like to pat dry my chicken first. So we're going to pat it dry because we want a nice, beautiful sear on the chicken. So once you're done patting it dry, I'm going to grab a fork and I'm going to pretty much poke the chicken. That way, all that flavorful gravy can get in there. So every single bite of that chicken can be nice and flavorful, okay? You don't have to overdo it, but it's gonna add so much flavor to your chicken. Just pull the skin like this and then just poke it. Once you're done with that, you're going to drizzle a little bit of oil to your chicken. Mix it up just like this. And now I'm grabbing my seasoning. Always mix the seasoning before you add it in. So I have a little bit of onion and garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of celery salt, Creole seasoning, you know, all of that good stuff, Italian seasoning. I'm using half of the seasoning, okay? The rest we'll use it on the gravy. So just generously season the chicken, just like this. I'll just save this half for the gravy. All right, now we're going to pan sear the chicken. To a medium-high heat skillet, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I'm going in by adding my chicken just like this. We're going to pan sear the chicken until they have a nice, beautiful golden brown color on them. It's time to flip the chicken over. Y'all see that sear? That is exactly what we're looking for. Yes, yes, yes. We don't want no, you know, plain looking chicken. We want it to be nice and golden brown like this. Ooh, beautiful. All this is flavor, okay? We're gonna let it go for another 2 minutes and then we'll set it aside. It is time to remove my chicken. They are looking gorgeous, beautiful, as you can see. Ooh, yes. Perfect. We're going to set this aside for now. Now we're going to use the same skillet. We're going in with 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Melt that. Once it's nice and melted, just like this, I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of flour. Just gonna keep stirring it like this. Let me get a spoon, hold on. Just keep stirring it like this. You wanna cook the flour, remove that raw flour taste, okay? You want a nice, beautiful gravy. So always, always cook that flour. Next, I'm going in with about a tablespoon of garlic. Just give it a stir. You smell that? The aroma is so delicious. After you're done frying that, you're going in with some bell peppers, whatever color will do. And also I have some onion in there as well. I'm going to saute that. Once you're done frying this for about 30 seconds, you're going in with some chicken broth. I'm using my homemade chicken broth. Ooh. Give it a stir. Just Keep adding it in there. Okay. Perfect. Looking good, looking good. Now, I'm going to add the remaining of that seasoning in. This is where all the flavor is coming from. Do not skip this step. This is ranch seasoning. I'm going to add a pack of that in. Next, we're going in with this seasoning right here. This is my key. Whenever I make smothered chicken, pot roast, always use this one. This is the onion flavor one. And y'all see that beautiful gravy right here? Extremely flavorful. Now I'm going in by reintroducing my chicken right in that gravy, okay? Just like this. Oof, it's gonna be so delicious. By the way, I made this yesterday for the kids, okay? I'm just making it for a video today, but this, trust me, this is the type of recipe you need to gatekeep. It's that good, that delicious. Now, once everything is looking like this, you're going to cover it. Now, you're going to set your temperature on medium to medium low. You want it to simmer slowly so all that flavor can just enter that chicken. You don't want to rush it, okay? Medium low for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you guys back in about 30 minutes, all right? All right, guys, our chicken is ready. Ooh, y'all see that gravy? Y'all see this beautiful gravy? I'm trying to tell you guys, once you start making this, like, it's gonna be on repeat every week. I'm telling you. Okay, so let's plate it. So excited to try this chicken, okay? Because I know it's very flavorful. Do y'all see this chicken? Perfectly cooked. Do you see this chicken? Perfectly cooked, looking juicy, mouth-watering, as you can see. Y'all ready? Let's give it a try. Automatically, you're tasting the flavor. Now, let me know down below, what would you pair this with? Rice, vegetable, mashed potatoes, grits, maybe? Let me know down below. This is good. Absolutely. This is the type of recipe you gatekeep, but it's too good, you're gonna wanna share it, okay? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below what type of side dish would you pair with this one. Also, if you're new here, be sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.